Have you ever felt like something inside you is out of balance? Like you're constantly pushing, rushing, and doing, but rarely slowing down enough to feel calm, grounded, and connected? In today's busy world, many people spend most of their time in a state of constant action. But there's another powerful side within you that often gets ignored: your feminine energy. In this video, we're going to explore the ultimate beginner's guide to unlocking feminine energy through yoga, and how simple movements and mindful breathing can help you reconnect with a softer, more intuitive, and deeply powerful version of yourself. First, let's understand what feminine energy really means. Feminine energy isn't about gender. It's about qualities like flow, creativity, intuition, relaxation, and connection. While masculine energy focuses on doing, achieving, and pushing forward, feminine energy is about receiving, feeling, and moving with ease. When these energies are balanced, your body and mind function at their best. Yoga is one of the most powerful ways to activate and nurture this feminine energy because it encourages presence, gentle movement, and deep body awareness. The first step to unlocking feminine energy through yoga is slowing down your breath. Before even moving your body, simply sit comfortably, close your eyes, and take a few slow, deep breaths. Inhale through your nose and let your belly expand. Then exhale slowly and completely. This type of breathing signals your nervous system to relax. As your breathing becomes slower and deeper, your body shifts out of stress mode and into a state where healing, creativity, and emotional balance can naturally occur. Next, let's move into gentle flowing movements. Feminine energy thrives in fluid motion rather than rigid exercise. Begin with a simple seated side stretch. Sit tall, lift one arm overhead, and gently lean to the opposite side. Feel the stretch through your ribs and waist. Move slowly and breathe deeply. Instead of forcing the stretch, allow your body to melt into it. This type of soft, flowing movement encourages flexibility, not just in the body, but also in the mind. Another beautiful movement to awaken feminine energy is the hip opener. Your hips are often called the emotional center of the body because they store tension from stress and long hours of sitting. A simple butterfly stretch works wonders. Sit with the soles of your feet together and gently allow your knees to drop outward. Keep your spine tall and breathe deeply into the hips. With each exhale, imagine releasing stored tension and making space for relaxation and flow. Now let's add a gentle spinal wave movement. Come onto your hands and knees and slowly move through a flowing cat-cow motion. As you inhale, lift your chest and tilt your hips upward. As you exhale, round your spine and soften your shoulders. Instead of moving quickly, imagine your spine flowing like a wave. This fluid motion helps release stiffness and brings awareness back to the body. Feminine energy grows stronger when movement feels smooth, intuitive, and connected to breath. Another key element of feminine energy is self-compassion. Many people approach fitness with a harsh mindset, pushing harder, judging their bodies, or feeling frustrated by limitations. Yoga encourages a different approach. Instead of forcing progress, listen to your body. If something feels tight or uncomfortable, slow down. Your body responds best when it feels safe, supported, and respected. To finish your practice, lie down on your back and allow your entire body to relax. Close your eyes and place one hand on your heart and the other on your belly. Feel your breath gently rising and falling. This final moment of stillness is where the real magic happens. When your body is relaxed and your mind is quiet, you reconnect with your inner awareness. This calm, grounded feeling is the essence of feminine energy. The beautiful thing about this practice is that it doesn't require hours of effort. Even just 5 to 10 minutes a day of slow breathing, gentle stretching, and mindful movement can start transforming how you feel in your body. Over time, you may notice improved flexibility, reduced stress, better posture, and a deeper sense of emotional balance. So if you've been feeling overwhelmed, disconnected, or constantly stuck in go mode, try giving yourself permission to slow down and reconnect with your body through yoga. Feminine energy isn't something you need to force. It's something you allow. And with consistent practice, you may discover a sense of calm, strength, and confidence that was always within you. If you enjoyed this video and want more simple yoga and mobility practices to help your body feel stronger, looser, and pain-free, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. And remember, sometimes the most powerful thing you can do for your body is simply slow down, breathe, and move with intention.